Hello everybody and welcome back to Iceland. As promised, I have driven way more east than I was before, and I made it to the Diamond Beach. Video is coming up, and now I am at the Vestrahorn. That's a pretty well-known mountain range behind me, and I'm taking some pictures from here. Let's hope I get some nice pictures with all those reflection pools behind me. Let's see. So, all right then. This is black sand beach, as you can tell probably by the black sand. There is a big reflection pool, so I surely can take some pictures with the reflections. But also you can see those ripples from the waves. So I will incorporate those in the image as well. So you can see those ripples here from the waves. They are not leading to the main attraction over there, but maybe I can find some which I can use. As you can see, there are already a lot of people out here by footprints, but that's okay. Okay, we will use this puddle. Take a tripod. I usually try not to take photos with a tripod, but in this case, if I am photo stacking for the focus, I might use it. I put the tripod in a very low position, so I can get, as I said, pretty low to the ground with the ripples from the wave, and the reflection. I don't know if you can see that, but I put, oh, it's already sandy. Put it that way, so a vertical shot with my 1535 lens. Get level. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but we have here the ripples from the waves. We have the reflection on the bottom, and on top the mountain. So I put the camera into focusing bracketing. It's already activated with 6 shots, and yeah, let's hope it works. Well, it seems some of the work is left in a hurry. That's a quite interesting image, despite being littering. Okay, let's get rid of it. It doesn't need to be laying around here. Okay, put it up onto the street. candle shot. Oh yes, oh yes. Do the same thing, focus bracketing. Oh, I love that. This feature, function, feature. You know what I mean. So I focus on the, so you can see better. Focus on the Vestrahorn, and it takes 6 images in a rapid succession, hopefully, and go. Well, I don't know if the car is still coming. The sun is coming out again. I am just walking around the field or the beach to find some more compositions, despite the lack of light. Well, you know, you can learn something every day. There's Vestrahorn again. I have the grass in front, the mountain in the back, and even a rock, which looks pretty interesting for a foreground image. For foreground. Do the same thing in portrait mode. That might be even better. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but there are 2 people walking below the mountain on the beach. I have my long lens on it, and I'm trying to capture the mountain that is partially covered by the clouds, and there are but the 2 people walking. Might be able to take them into the image. A bit too wide. Let's walk back a bit so we can fit more into the frame. That's better. Zoom in. And since we are on the beach, we still have some reflections on this part of the beach as well, and I might use that reflection as well to capture the mountain and the waves, maybe. That doesn't work. Probably need 50mm lens. Time to switch lenses again and again and again. You know what? I'm not the biggest fan of taking pictures with the phone, but I mean, I do have a wide angle lens on the phone, if you can find it. Yep, my Pixel 5. Maybe I can capture the waves and the reflection. Oh yes, it does work. I already quite like that. Okay. Impromptu smartphone video. Maybe we can get even closer. Ooh. Zoom in a bit. I mean, phones are taking good pictures today, but the there aren't much megapixels anyway, or at least big pixels. And on the other hand, they are pretty awkward to handle. A real quote-unquote real camera is way way more, how can I say, comfortable to use than a phone on if you are walking around. So that's been it from Vestrahorn. We will see us in a few days from Diamond Beach, where diamonds aren't forever.